you hugging for more than 3 minutes, I tell you. All right, this segment is brought to you by Tui Garden. With Labour weekend just around the corner, it is the perfect time to get planting. Last month, friend of the show, Lucas de Jong, teamed up with Tui's garden expert Hannah to transform an overgrown patch into the beginnings of a bumper vegetable garden. We're going back to them now to check on the progress. We're waiting for the reveal, Lucas.
That's a big reveal. Well, I mean, it is looking beautiful here, I'd have to say. There has been so much amazing growth. We might need to remind our viewers what it looked like 1 month ago, though, to see how much it has changed and how much you can get growing in just 4 weeks' time. Because as that temperature warms up and we get into Labour weekend, some people might be excited for school holidays and longer weekends. I'm excited to get plants in the garden. I'm going to bring Hannah in at this stage again. Hannah, I mean, how do you think? How's it going?
Oh, it looks really great. The growth here is awesome. I mean, 4 weeks in, they've got salads to take inside,
Yeah, and isn't that rewarding that quickly people can put something in the ground and they're eating? That's what it's all about, right?
It's so rewarding, exactly. Look, there's some potatoes here. Look at that. It's looking awesome.
That's flying up. Now, last time also, team, I did some pretty crazy sowing of seeds with a big packet of lettuces, and this is how easy it is. These guys could pick these beautiful little baby
I know, you just throw them around and look, they're all ready to eat, so it's awesome.
Hey, how have the strawberries gone? We've had a few pest issues.
We have. The birds have been thieving, so we've added some netting here. Just some easy way to just be able to pop in and out and grab your strawberries in. But yeah, just to keep those birds off. Amazing.
And also beautiful layers of mulch. You look at a garden like this and you look at that pea straw going on, that's really going to help with the weeds, isn't it?
It is, and it's been a little bit cooler up until now. Just kept that moisture and kept it nice and warm and cozy, and you can see that it's helped, and look at the growth. So
great.
Yeah.
Hey, so we've caught you up to speed, but today it's all about these.
Yes, yeah.
The pride of most gardeners, right? What are we planting today, Anne?
We are planting tomatoes. So it's coming up to Labour weekend. It's super exciting. Everyone wants to get their tomatoes in, and we're going to get on that bandwagon. So we have got a few different varieties here that we're going to get popped in this morning. So
yeah, what have we got?
Yeah, we've got a few different varieties. These are the sweet 100s. So these are the cherries. They're exactly what they say, sweet, and there's hundreds of them. So perfect for salads, perfect for kids just plucking straight off the vine.
The money maker. Whoever names tomatoes, The money maker.
Exactly. Yeah, those are awesome though. They're actually an heirloom variety. You can save those seeds and plant them next year. Yeah. Those are a medium variety tomato. Just really consistent. And we're also going to put some Romas in, which are those fleshier, less juicy, perfect for sandwiches and cooking.
Awesome. Yeah. And we've got a whole lot of different companion plants. We'll walk you guys through that, all those different sort of ideas and things later on this morning as well. Just very quickly before we go though, these peas starting to shoot up that fence very quickly. And over here, the cucumbers, the courgettes, they're almost here. Like, this is the crazy part of it at this stage of the game. We're almost there. This garden's almost fully productive and eating, and we're only 4 weeks in. It's pretty exciting.
The courgettes going gangbusters. We could have had Gogglebox going on here with the discussion about garden stuff here. I'm actually going to try and grow my courgettes and cucumbers vertically this year, Lucas. I've got big stakes. It's going to be high stakes, in fact. Yeah, it just takes up a lot of space.
And they become these beautiful trees. They're gorgeous.
That is
They're really cool. I do it all the time. It's fantastic.
Are superstitious though. You don't want to go early with
No, I've got to do it on Labour weekend.
The tomatoes.
Tomatoes too early. They've done, oh yeah, you got to do it on Labour weekend.
So you're in the garden this
The garden gods, they wait for that. Moment.
I did mine on Monday. Usually I would do Labour weekend, but I would have thought this would spark such heated discussion. Thanks, Lucas.